YouTube. Today I'm gonna talk about this Champion series subwoofers from Pioneer. So I've used all of the Champion series subs, okay, from start 306 till this 311, and the recent Champion series sub, that is 120 D4S S4, is the cost reduction product. I will never recommend to go for it because there is huge difference in this previous model and the latest model. As you can notice that this Pioneer is keeping the same price range from the years, okay, for the competition in Indian market. So they can't compete to the market keeping the price same and giving you the premium product. As you can see, the price of this subwoofer, the older model, is higher than the newer model. That is pretty strange, right? But I will tell you the reason why it is. Because the build quality of this subwoofer is far better than the new subwoofer available in the market. So this subwoofer has red basket and all the stuff that normally we need. I will say this is far better subwoofer if you are going to make choice to buy these subs as of now. Let's play something. I am playing in free air purposefully. Let me grab the torch. So as you can see, here the spider is connected to cone directly. And this IMPP design, this is not paper cone, but this cone is very strong and tough. You can't just tear it up like JBL and other paper cones, and the surrounds are also very heavy. Okay, let me play something. This is free air test. Keeping volume low purposefully. So now I installed it in the box. Volume is just 20, okay? So let me compare this sub with my old Ground Zero sub. The Ground Zero is far better brand than Pioneer, let me tell you that honestly. That sub was even twice costlier than this one, but this is value for money stuff. The Ground Zero has huge build quality, like 1000 watt RMS subwoofer, but basically it was just 500 watt RMS. I'm talking about Ground Zero 300X. Okay, you can Google the specs. That was 500 watt RMS, but that one had bigger basket, paper cone and huge surrounds, 20 mm X mass. Also the specs were different. What is good in this subwoofer is it has 95 dB of sensitivity. So if you compare the loudness inside or outside the car, it is pretty much the same. Okay, you can expect the same thing from my Ground Zero sub and this one too. Let me play something inside for you. So that is self-explanatory. The performance with this subwoofer is good. I'll say Pioneer Champion Series is good competition to all categories in the range. But honestly, the Champion subs are just for loudness. They won't go low. Okay, they are not made for the lows. They are made for Bollywood or DJ kind of bass. They are not made for decaf or hip hop and R&B, which when you want to go really low around 25, 27, 30 hertz. Okay, Pioneer subs, the Champion subs are not made for that. The Champion subs are made to have highest possible loudness in lowest possible price. That's the great statement I have. It clears all your doubts. So if you are planning to buy Champion subs, the 311 series is the best to go. And from the Champion Pro, the 3002 D4 series is best to go. I have a pair of those subs also. I'll try the same sub, the 3002 D4, the Champion Pro one, in the same enclosure tomorrow. Please check out that video too. This video was concerned about the Pioneer Champion subs. This was my review for them. If you have any questions, please drop the comment below. Thanks for watching. Live loud.